Welcome to the DoubleTree Miami Airport and Convention Center. Let me remove my mask for just a minute to welcome you and let you know about all the very important precautions and actions that we're taking to make sure your stay is safe and comfortable.
For the protection of all our guests and staff, we have asked for everyone to please wear masks in the public areas of the hotel. To ensure the cleanliness of the hotel, we have on-site staff sanitizing all the surfaces every 2 to 4 hours. There are stickers in the elevator on each side that state 6 feet apart, and only 2 people may enter the elevator at a time. In order for the guests to be very sure that their room has been sanitized and cleaned, it is cleaned by a housekeeper, then inspected by management. Once it is completed and inspected by management, the room is given the approval. They place this Hilton CleanStay sticker, which will not be broken until the guest comes to check in. This seal remains sealed until the guest opens the door.